Hello guys. So hello guys. I'm Luis Martin Gizia, and look at this. That is an angel, like this angel. Ooh, wow. So I've been playing guitar since I was grade 9. Yeah, but I started learning on grade 8. So my friend Earl teaches me on simple chords and simple songs like perfect. So perfect is really is a memorable song for me because it is the key on how I learn the guitar, on how I learn guitar faster. I search it on YouTube. So YouTube is very helpful thing for me, so to learn much more on guitar. So everyone out there who is willing and like to play guitar, you can search it on YouTube because YouTube is very helpful for us beginners. I'm not a pro, but I'm still learning. But I can now understand the techniques and the chords and some of that. Yeah, it's very simple if you are willing to learn. Okay, understand? Just practice. Just practice every day and practice. And yeah, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.